Hello students, today we are going to discuss dictionary in Python. In the previous session we have discussed about different sequence data type. Today we will discuss data type dictionary in Python. Basically, dictionary is also known as associative array. It is used to store the data in a key value pair format. The dictionary is the data type in Python which can simulate the real-life data arrangement where some specific value exists for some particular key. It is the mutable data structure. It means we can change the key or values if required. The dictionary is defined into element, keys and values. It means it has two elements. First is key and the second one is the value. Key and values are separated by each other using colon. Keys must be a single element, whereas value can be any type such as list, tuple, integer, etc. In other words, we can also say that a dictionary is the collection of key-value pairs where the value can be any Python object. In contrast, the keys are the immutable Python object, that is numbers, string or tuple. Now, let's discuss how do we create a dictionary. Here is the syntax for creation of dictionary. Here, dict is a variable. We define dictionary under curly braces and each elements of the dictionaries are separated by comma operator. Each element in a dictionary has two values. The first one is the key and the second one is the value. Key and value are separated by using colon. In the example, you can able to see there is an employee variable. It is a dictionary variable having key, name, age, salary and company, whereas it has values John, 29, 25,000 and Google. Here, John is the value of name, 29 is the value of age, 25,000 is the value of salary and Google is the value of company. Whenever you want to check the type of the employee, it will return class dict as shown in the output. And if you want to print the elements of the dictionary, you have to just type the variable name inside print statement. So print variable name. As you can see, employee has four elements: name, age, salary and company. In the output you will able to see the dictionary elements. So this is how we can create a dictionary and we can define its key and values. Now the second term come in definition of dictionary is that whether we create an empty dictionary. Yes, we can create an empty dictionary by only defining the curly braces without any key or value pair. If you define dict equals to curly braces, it will give you an empty dictionary. Just see in the output, here is the input and here is the output of this. That empty dictionary I have printed, it will print only the curly braces as there is no any element inside the dictionary. In the second, I have used dict function to define the dictionary. Dict function is also used to create a dictionary. So here I have used dict function. As we know that every function has parenthesis. So inside dict function I have passed the dictionary elements like 1, this is the key and value is the Java. 2 is the key, Python is its value, 3 is the key and C++ is its value. So whenever I have printed the dict variable, when I have printed the dict variable, it prints 1 Java, 2 Python, 3 C++ as shown in the output. Next way to create a dictionary is using tuple, or you can say we can use a dictionary by using a list also. So here dict function is used inside a square bracket, that is we can say it is a combination of list and tuples. So I have used Square bracket inside parenthesis, I have given the key and value pair. Each key and value pair are enclosed in parenthesis and all the elements are separated by using comma operator. So you can able to see that 1 comma school is the first element, 2 comma college is the second element, and in this way we can add as many as elements as per the requirement. So this is how we can define dictionary. There are 3 ways to define dictionary. First, if there is no any element, that is empty dictionary. The second dictionary, that is using dict function, and the third one also uses dict function, but it uses the group of values in list or tuple form. So you can see here is the syntax and here is the example for creation of dictionary. Moving to the next. How do we access values from the dictionary? Is it possible to access values of dictionary? Yes, it is. But here index does not work. Here we use get method to access the values. And here is the example. Here get function and subscript function, both we can use. Here I have defined a variable my underscore dict with dictionary key, name and age and value jack and 26. Whenever I want to retrieve the value of key, then I should type my underscore dict, that is the variable name, inside the square bracket, or I have used name, and I am retrieving the value of age by using get function. Both we can use both. Either we can directly use the subscript, or you can say the square bracket with the key. Otherwise, we can use the get function. So here, my underscore dict dot get, that is age. So print my underscore dict name returns jack, and print my underscore dict dot get returns age. Whenever we use get method for the keys which is not available in the list, it will return none. Whereas if we use a square bracket to access those elements in the dictionary which is not in the list, it gives an key error that is shown in the output like this. Here address is not the part of the my underscore dictionary. So when I have used get, it returns none, but when I have used a square bracket with the key value, it gives an key error, that is address is not available, so it shows an key error. Key error stands for the key which has an error, and here it is an error because the key address does not exist in this list. So this is how we can access the elements of the dictionary. Again, I am repeating the things that how we can access the elements of the dictionary. We can access the element of dictionary by using 2 ways. First, we can pass the key elements inside a square bracket with that variable name. And the second one, we can use get function. Inside get function, we have to pass the parameter, that is we have to pass the key of the dictionary's element as a parameter for the get function. And there's a very common difference between these two is that whenever the key which is not inside the dictionary is accessed by the programmer, then it will throw an error if we use a square bracket, whereas if we use get function, it returns none. So this is how we can access the values from dictionary. Now, the most common operations what we do is changing and updating the elements. So dictionary provides you facility to change the contents, change the elements of the dictionary, and therefore it is also called mutable data type. We can add or change either new items, or we can change the value of existing items using assignment operator. If the key is already present, then the existing value gets updated, and if the key is not present, a new elements get added to the dictionary. As you can see in the example, my underscore dict is a variable. Here, name and age are the two key, and Jack and 26 are the corresponding values. Here I have used my underscore dict age equals to 27. So whenever this line gets executed, it updates the value of age from 26 to 27. As you can see here in the output section, you can able to see that print my underscore dict is printed with name Jack and age 27. And again I am going to add one more element. My underscore dict address equals to downtown. Here, address is the key which is not mentioned in the dictionary. So, this key value pair gets inserted at the last when we execute this statement. You can able to see when I printed the value of my underscore dict, you can able to see that address with value downtown can be added in the dictionary. So, this is how we can change and update our dictionary elements. Now the term comes deleting of dictionary elements. Is it possible to delete any elements? Yes, it is. Python provides several functions to delete, such as pop method, pop item method, and clear method. These three methods are used to clear or remove the elements of the dictionary. Here you can able to see that I have created a dictionary square with value 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25. Now I have used the pop function to remove the 4. So you can able to see that pop function returns the deleted item values. As 4 is deleted, it returns 16, as you can able to see. And whenever after removing the elements 4, the square gets updated with the value 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now I have used pop item. Pop item is a method which is used to remove the last element of the dictionary. It works on the last in first out manner. It means the element which is get inserted first will be deleted last, and the element which is inserted last will get deleted first. So here you can able to see that pop item has removed the last element, that is 5, 25, and now the updated dictionary value is 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. Now I have used clear function. Clear function does not delete your dictionary, but it clears all the items of the dictionary. So you can able to see when I have used clear, there is no any element. It means it is now an empty dictionary. And the fourth one is the del. Del is a keyword which is used to delete the dictionary. So whenever I have used del square, it deletes the square dictionary from the memory, and whenever after deletion, if you want to print the or access the dictionary, it will throw a name error, that is dictionary not found. So this is how we can delete dictionary. Now let's have some practical practice on dictionary. Let's start. Let's open the window. See, here I am going to create a dictionary. Dict equals to, first of all, I have created empty dictionary. So whenever I will print dict, it will print an empty dictionary. Now I am going to update this dictionary with elements like this. 1. Suppose I am going to define a dictionary with a square value, that is 2, 4, 3, 9, 6, 4, 16. So this is how we can able to create a dictionary in a key and value format. As we have given a dot, so it throws an error, it will be a comma. Now our dictionary is created. Now print dict. This is how we have created dictionary. After creation of dictionary, we have learned about accessing the elements of dictionary. So let's see how do we access the elements of dictionary. Here we have used here. Suppose I want to print the value of 4. So how do we print it? Print dict 4. So you can able to see that the value of 4 has 16. So the 16 gets printed. Now we will access with using get method. So here I can use dict dot get, and it will be used like this. Sorry. Yes. So here using get method, we have again called the 4. So the output is 16. Now we will try to access get method for the elements which is not present in the dictionary. See, as 6 is not the part of the dictionary, it returns none. And if we try to do this with the same using square bracket method, it will throw an error. As you can able to see, key error 6, that is 6 does not exist. So this is how we can access the values from the dictionary. After that, we have just learned that how we can add or update items in the dictionary. So let's have a look on that. We have discussed these things. So let's see how we can update the values. As dict, suppose I am going to update the value of 3. Dict 3 equals to 27. And now if you want to print the dict, you will able to see that the value of key 3 has been updated with the value of 9 to 27. So this is the value what we have assigned during the creation of dictionary. Now we have changed the value with 27 by reassigning it using the assignment operator. Now if I want to add one elements like 5, and the square of 5 is 25, as we follow the square formula. And now if you want to print the dictionary, you will able to see that the 5 25 has been added as a new element and has been added at last. So this is how we can change the dictionary by adding one element into it. After that, we have discussed about removing elements from the dictionary. So let's see dict dot pop. Dict dot pop. What it will do? Suppose pop method uses takes one parameter. Suppose I am going to give pass the parameter 2. So you will able to see it returns the value of the deleted element. And now if I want to print the dictionary, the 2 has been removed from the dictionary. And now the updated dictionary elements are 1, 3, 4, 5 with the values 1, 27, 16 and 25 respectively. Now we can remove the elements by using pop item also. So let's see how pop item works. Pop item. Pop item method is used to remove the last element and it returns the last element key value pair. As you can able to see that I have used pop item method, and pop item method has removed the last element. So this is how we can remove the element. Now I want to clear the dictionary. Dict.clear. And if I want to print it, we will get an empty dictionary. And now I want to delete the dictionary. And if now I want to print it, as dict is a keyword, so it returns the class type dictionary. But if it has some another variable name, it removes it from the memory. Let's see one more example. Suppose I am taking dict1. Suppose I have created dict1 dictionary. Oh, sorry. Suppose I have created dict1 dictionary, and now I am going to delete dict1. And now if I want to print dict1, it will give an error, that is the name error, dict1 is not defined. So we have seen that how the dictionary works. How do we create dictionary? How we are able to change and update the dictionary? How we can able to remove the elements of the dictionary using pop item method or using pop method? Or how we can able to delete the dictionary if there is no any use of dictionary in coming program. So this is how we have created dictionary. Now we know that each and every data type has its own functionality. Dictionary has its own functionality. We will discuss the functions of dictionary in next session. Thank you for watching the session on dictionary creation, updation and deletion of elements of the dictionary. We'll discuss dictionary functions in the next video. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.